Hello everybody, welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. Here we are on board Carnival Horizon and we're going to check out Limelight Lounge, which is here on deck 4 at the back of the ship. We're going to have a look at this lounge. It basically has a couple of different functions. One of them is Punchliner's Comedy Club, and the second is primarily the disco on the ship, or the nightclub. So we'll actually have a full walk around, so hopefully you get an idea of the space. We kind of tend to do these walk-arounds when the ship's not in operation, so that you get a better feel of the place, I guess, without people. So one of the differences with this lounge, if you've been on other Carnival ships, it doesn't have a permanent bar. So it has basically a temporary bar. So as you see the back of the lounge here where the lighting and sound takes place. So yeah, so basically that's put a part of the temporary bar setup, and yeah, it doesn't have a service bar as such, or a bar where you can actually go to get a drink. And then this is the back, sort of walking towards the stage. So yeah, it's a very nice lounge, lots of chairs. So if you come here for the punchliners, different comedy sessions, there's family friendly, and then there's PG, and then there's R-rated. It's a great spot to come and watch comedy. I think for me it's very intimate when you watch a live comedian, and it gives you a very up close feel with the stage. Yeah, so I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. We make lots of videos on the ships, particularly here on Carnival Horizon. If you've watched some of the other videos, if you haven't subscribed, nice and easy, click the subscribe button. Maybe click the notification bell for new videos, and you'll be the first to see them once they're uploaded. We generally upload them on a weekly basis, and there's a few playlists set up as well. And I'm starting to do a weekly vlog, so you'll be able to check out some of the kind of walk-arounds that I do and some question and answers. Thanks for watching this walk around on Carnival Horizon of the Limelight Lounge. Thanks everybody, have a nice day.